Good morning.
Good morning.
And welcome to another Fan Voyage video. How are you? And before we start, have you subscribed? Because a lot of you are watching the videos now, so have you subscribed? Have you liked the video? Well, you haven't seen it yet, but you will like it. But my brother from America has come over from Los Angeles, and his wife and his son, and you'll meet them all when they wake up. They're a bit jet lagged, so they're just taking time to relax.
It's nice to have family round, so hopefully you enjoy the vlog. I need to do your top.
Catering is one thing, but being the only vegan family and cooking for non-vegans is always a challenge. Still, we pulled it off. When catering for non-vegans, I always make an extra effort to incorporate a variety of textures and colours, making sure the food both looks and tastes appealing. Pastry is always a hit, so I picked up some ready rolled pastry for the occasion and paired it with a nice curry, a stew, along with rice, the good roasties, and a colourful salad. I also made a chocolate cake beforehand, and we had some banana frosting to top it off. I love cooking, especially for others, so I was truly in my element. We hosted a few sit-ins to ensure everyone had a warm plate of food. There was lots of food to go round, along with plenty of laughter and much needed catch-ups.
That's crazy. Don't be shy. I see you looking at me. Don't be shy. Here's a paper. You see it? How old are you now?
It's okay.
Yeah. And you're 10 in it? Yeah. And you're 4? Yeah, I've never seen it because I haven't been here in 4 years, bro.
next afternoon, we managed to spend some time in town, shopping and meeting family and more friends that evening too. Since it was late November, we briefly strolled through the Christmas markets, which were already set up. It looked so beautiful, and it was such a lovely time to have with family. And meeting our nephew for the first time was a sweet bonus. We're so grateful that they made the trip over, and to everyone who visited us all over the 3-day period. We hope you enjoyed the video and the photos, and thanks so much for watching. The links to our websites and our Patreon are in the description box below.